The larger concept for this landscape is Sensorio, and I thought Bruce's exhibit would be such the right introduction for people to get a feel for what Sensorio when it's finally done could be like. It is directed to the mind. It's almost an intellectual activity in a sense.
Field of Light for me is it's a passion. It's something that I've dreamt of taking across the world to basically simply bring a bit of joy and connection to people. There are going to be, it's a solar-powered installation. There are going to be 60,000 stems. The number isn't chosen randomly, it's actually how many stems we need to fill this huge space. And it will be the biggest installation I've ever done by quite some margin.